Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use the Vintage Photo Restorer by Forge, which you can find on Apify. It's used to restore old, damaged, or faded photographs using AI. This actor restores vintage photographs automatically. It can fix time-related degradation, repair physical damage like tears or scratches, restore faded colors, or perform full recovery. It's designed for family archives, historical collections, and anyone who wants professional-looking photo restoration without any manual editing. So, how does it work? To get started, you upload one or more old photos. Supported formats include JPG, PNG, and WebP, and you can restore multiple images in a single run. Each image is processed independently and exported in the same format as the original. You can choose how aggressive the restoration should be. Auto mode analyzes the image and applies the best techniques automatically. If you want more control, you can target specific issues like time degradation, physical damage, scratch removal, fade correction, or full recovery. The recolor style controls how colors are handled. Auto mode detects whether the photo should remain black and white or sepia. You can also force specific styles like natural, vintage, warm, cinematic, pastel, or explicitly preserve black and white or sepia tones. If you need more precision, you can add custom instructions. For example, you might say, keep the vintage sepia tone, or fix the torn corner on the left side. These instructions are combined with a selected restoration style. For this example, I'm restoring a single photo using auto restoration and automatic color detection. So, once it's uploaded, you simply click Start. Now, we'll let the actor do its magic. When the run finishes, each restored photo appears in this table, in the Output tab. For every image, you get the original reference and the restored image URL, which you can download automatically. This actor is useful for restoring family photos, preserving historical archives, or offering restoration services at scale. If you have any issues, please feel free to contact us. And if you like this actor, we'd appreciate a review. Thank you.